What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Today's video, we're gonna do match the girls based on their car. You know what I'm saying? See, we got a full parking lot out here, and the first person we got today is
yo boy, Day Today Marv. What's up, bro? You already know what it is. Day Today Marv on all platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, type shit.
Yeah. So we gonna go through 4 cars, and he gonna describe these females and match the girls after. You know what I'm saying? So
4 cars?
Yes, sir. 4 cars. So let's get it. So we at the cars right now. About to let him choose which key he want to go through first. I mean, which car he want to go through first.
I'm gonna go with this one because it's kind of sticking out a bit with the flowers. It's the most prominent, and it's a Range Rover.
All right, let's get in the range. Oh, it's right here. Let's get. Did you unlock it? Let's go. Let's get in. Let's get it. Let the cameraman get around here. Yeah, go ahead and take a look in there real quick. So, she got a mask in here, Marv.
See, I just want to point something out, right? So the first thing I saw when I walked to the car was this. Can you hold this for me? Appreciate you. So we got an E. Somebody's name must start with an E. You know, it's not really much to go by here. What is it, a fucking vibrator? Oh, this is a charger.
I mean, we got some hand sanitizer. You know what I'm saying? COVID. She kind of clean. What you
Amber
think?
Romance. I mean,
and some perfume.
Oh, this smells okay. From the smell, you could probably
on the go
type stuff.
So what kind of female you think this is? Like tall, short, dark skin, light skin?
I'm thinking definitely short. The scent is more like a. I can't really put a color to the scent because like it's not. I feel like every female has the same type.
All right, let's go in the back. Let's go in the back.
Nothing prominent sticking out yet.
Let's go in the back. Oh, what's this?
Dual pivoting.
Got a Chase bottle water.
This
like
is
some
like
fitness.
So maybe. She's obviously clean. She got hand sanitizer. She just got some fitness stuff.
Bottle water.
I think I know who this might be. Oh wait, what's that? What up?
Umbrella
Pete.
for rainy days.
Pete.
What's that?
She got a dog. She obviously a dog lover. Okay. And it's Petco. All right. I think it's got to be a short girl. I'm going to go with dark skin because the car is dark. Don't make no sense, but...
Short, dark skin.
Short, dark skin, and love animals.
Love animals.
If I see her, I might be able to pick her up.
All right. Hold this. So that's it. That's all. All right, let's move on to the next car. All right, so the next car we're going to is the Lexus.
Now, obviously, she care about nice things. Because, you know, Lexus is luxury.
Luxury. Expensive.
Luxury. I don't know.
She got a water bottle in here. Some candy. What you thinking, Marv? What you thinking?
So, this girl likes to look good. All right? But deep down, you're probably not feeling good because of this. So you like to look good on the outside, but on the inside...
On the inside.
She might be hurting about something. We're gonna figure it out.
Is that a jacket?
Sweatpants. What she need to change her clothes for?
Oh, on the go.
Wait. Hold this real quick. How thick are the sweatpants?
Is that some lotion over there?
Wait, is this a nigga sweatpants?
Is that some lotion?
But it's kind of thick though. So she got to be thick. I think I know who car this is. It got to be a thick ass female. All right, we got more lollipops.
She's a sucker.
Oh wait. And the cologne. Let's see how it smells, bro. Let's see how it smells. This is a nigga's cologne. This is a nigga's car. This is a nigga's sweatpants. She has a nigga. Look for the female that got
She got a nigga.
Look for a female that got a nigga. This is a nigga's car.
You know what, Marv? This one, we're not even going in the back. We're going to pop the trunk. Let's pop the trunk.
Let's pop the trunk. Oh, shit. This is obviously a nigga's car.
Let's pop the trunk.
Cooking material.
All right.
It might be... Oh, wait. Workout material. It's a nigga's car, bro. I'm telling you.
She got a
All right,
nigga.
last thing. We got some school stuff. Let's see.
I mean, it's clean. It ain't too bad. You know what I'm saying?
All right, something about shit. What is this? Discharge to go home. Okay, we're not gonna read that. It looks kind of private. Looks kind of private.
And more hand sanitizer.
More hand sanitizer.
All right. So what kind of girl you think this is? Tall, short, light skin, dark skin? Look like she got a nigga.
So most females with niggas like to be shorter than the niggas. So I'm gonna still go with short. I feel like all the girls are short. All right. So just in my head, females with nice cars are short. Now the fact that she has a nigga, she has to carry herself a certain way. So she can't be too out there, but she got to be out there enough. So that's what I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna look for a girl that's out there enough.
Out there enough. All right. All right, man. So we got 2 cars left. Let's go ahead and choose.
Let's go with the U-Fit. That lime green U-Fit pass. $20
Lime
an
green
hour.
U-Fit.
I mean, $20.
What is that? Oh, it's over here.
Toyota.
Let's go. Unlock that there.
No, that's over here.
Oh, no. Oh, we went to the wrong car. Oh, God.
So first thing I'm looking at, we got 3 stars.
3 stars.
Could be related to Dragon Ball Z. She might like anime.
Might like anime.
And then we got hubcaps.
Hubcaps.
Now look, I have hubcaps on my car, so that means like you got money, but you're not spending it in the right places. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I know. Oh, I gotta know who car this is. She obviously like blue.
Bedazzle.
She a little messy. This is a little like COVID material right here. Yeah.
A little messy, y'all boys. A little
Like
messy.
a fucking Molotov, like water bottle. Shit. All right, she go to parties. Shot o'clock. Oh shit, we got a lot of.
So you think she's a party animal?
Definitely, bro. You see the rhinestones, bro. Like this is a party animal type of vibe. You see the orange. She obviously like Kodak. Let me see, bro.
Kodak, Yak Attack.
We got a picture.
All right, just not look at. All right, let's get out. All right, so
I didn't get a good look at the picture.
it's all right though. So we know this is a party animal.
And she like blue.
And she like blue. We know a lot
Car
about
blue.
this car. All right, so let's move on to the last car.
Last car.
All right, YouTube, so we at the last car, and then we're going to go ahead and bring out the girls, and he's going to go ahead and match each one based on the cars that we just went through. Let's go through this last one. Come on.
Okay, first of all, before we can go through it, look at the car. Maintenance is kind of down. That's one thing. Get inside the car. Oh, shit, she eats McDonald's. This is a red flag. If you eat McDonald's, big red flag. You don't care about your health. You can't. It's impossible. We got melted pills. I don't know what that's about, but we're going to leave that there.
I mean, we got another bedazzle right here. It ain't blue, though.
It ain't blue, which means like she likes to look kind of lavish, but she's like, fuck it. I know what I am. I know what I do. Okay. We got Le'Mion, Costas, probably Spanish.
All right.
I think I've seen enough.
You think you want to go in the back?
From the front. Let's see the back.
Let's go in the back. I was about to say, let's go in the back.
Okay, this is different. This makes sense now. This makes sense. She doesn't care about the car on the outside because she's in school so often. So she's like, okay, fuck the outside of the car. Let me study. So she is studying something for nursing, obviously. Training day 1, nothing is constant but change. That's a fucking fact. That nothing is constant but change.
All right, so what kind of girl you think this is? Tall, dark.
So
skin?
here's let me make sure I was right. This girl's in nursing class, but she eats McDonald's. It's a contradiction. We gotta look for a girl that looks like she contradicts herself.
Contradict yourself. All right. So let's go get the girls.
Let's get the girls.
All right, guys. So we brought the girls out. You know what I'm saying? As you can see. So let's go and match the girls to the car. Come on, Marv. We're gonna start with this one right here. Who you think drive this car?
All right, so we're looking for a girl that looks like she cares about nursing but eats McDonald's. So that's what we're looking for right now. Eats McDonald's. All right, I don't want nobody taking offense. I'm gonna say you go to this car.
All right.
Looks like a nurse.
Let's move to the next one.
All right,
Who you think drive this car?
We're looking for like someone that look like their name start with E. I can't really remember names, so if y'all said it, Whoops. I'm gonna say you go to this car.
All right,
The
let's
Range
move
Rover.
to the next one.
Now this car, remember we smelled somebody that smelled like they had a dude.
Somebody got a
smelled some
nigga.
cologne in the middle seat. You look like you really that. It's like you have a dude, so you might be here. And I
And
saved the best for last
Just by default.
because it's blue. We saw blue, and she's wearing a sparkling blue. So we're gonna say she goes to this car right here.
All right, cool. So let's take a good look at all the girls and at the cars. All right. So Marv, come over here. So out of all four, how much you think you got right?
I'm confident. I'm gonna give myself 4 out of 4.
4 out of 4?
4 out of 4.
All right, let's back up. Everybody goes to their go to your right car.
Shit! Damn.
You only got one, my boy.
I
Tie strap.
Baby, I don't know.
Yo, tie strap.
It's
All right, let's go.
Oh shit! I fucked up everybody. I got the blue right.
How do you feel?
He was goofy. My car don't smell like cologne first time.
No. I said it had like cologne in the middle console.
My car smelled good, long story short, and this is my car. Baby driver Lexus.
Tie strap. How you feel?
The E initial is not the beginning of my name, but I do not eat McDonald's.
Fuck McDonald's.
What's up? How you feel? He matched you to the wrong car. Like,
I like McDonald's.
all right, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.